Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to make a scatter plot in R. In order to make a scatter plot in R, we have two vectors, vector x and vector y. We will load these two vectors in our global environment. We can check whether these vectors are loaded in the global environment by clicking on the environment. And here we see that we have two vectors, vector x and vector y, in our global environment, and each vector has 9 data points. Next, in order to make a scatter plot, we will use the plot function. The first argument will be x, the second argument will be y. This main actually represents the title of the scatter plot, and here we have the label for x-axis and label for y-axis. This PCH represents the plotting character information. This number is 19. It means if we use this number, it will plot the scatter plot with solid circles, and the color of those solid circles will be blue. When we place our cursor on this function and we run, we see the scatter plot in our plot pane. You can zoom this scatter plot and see the details of this scatter plot. And this is how you make a scatter plot in R. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.